अस्सलाम वालेकुम। देखिए इस वक्त हम मिनी ज़ू खोबर के अंदर हैं और ये इन्होंने बनाया है एंड देन वी हैव टू गो इनसाइड एंड सी देयर आर सम एनिमल्स आल्सो एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन हु कम हियर टू सी द मिनी ज़ू एंड आई बिलीव दिस इज़ अ वेरी मॉडर्नाइज्ड वन एंड लेट्स गो एंड सी। तो चलो खान के साथ। ओके, एट दिस मोमेंट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एंटर in the zoo and we'll let you know and we'll show you the cages and the animals which are here, okay, which you can see. And you can see here they have lot of animals, cats and birds and raccoon and all. So this is first time in Khobar. You can see so many animals. You see the fox here, Arabian fox. This is snake. The snake is here, and then you can see monkeys, the pocket monkeys also. And this is a unique experience and all. You can see here they have owl, okay, a very friendly one which people are taking on their hands, okay, and it is a very good one. So you can see here they have some snakes and some other crocodiles and so here are small alligators and some unique birds also. You'll find the small owl also. You have eagles, you have raccoon. And it is worth if you can bring your children here and they will really enjoy, okay, with the animals which are here. Definitely they are going to enjoy here. This is goanna and you see different types of snakes which are here. You can hear the noise of parrots and all they're making. Here you see a poodle which is coming here. Okay, it is a poodle which is looking very cute. You can see here you have snake. You have big snake here also. Yeah, kangaroo. Okay, you can see a kangaroo here, white kangaroo with red eyes. Okay, here you can see turtle and you can see small rabbits. You see the friendship of rabbit with the small chicken here. Okay, and you see the cats here also. And also cats and you have different type of parrots. You have the big lorry is here. Okay, you have Amazon and then you have eagle. This is a blue macaw. Okay, blue macaw which is very rare. You don't find it. The reals. Here you can see different type of cats, kittens and all, and they have a very good place where they are keeping them, and they are all enjoying with a free movement. He's carrying a lizard, yes, okay, which we can also, you see the lizard, it's very friendly, yes, and we can hold this. It's very nice. For more video like this, please subscribe my channel, Chalo Khan ke saath.